Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the battery. Now, as you can see at the very bottom, we've got the battery percentage, and here we've got three different options to choose from. So the nothing, which means that we will have only the battery indicator outside the battery icon, where the percentage will be applied next to the battery indicator or inside the battery icon. So it will be, of course, smaller, but it will fit inside the icon. So of course it's up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.